Hello everyone, my name is Alan, and this is Commerce, CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript project number 2. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna look at this in this project are the models. As we can see, apart from the user model, we got a category model, bid model, and listing and comment model. Alright, so what we can do here in this auction app, the first thing we can do is to add an auction. We can go ahead and click on add listing, and we will be presented with this form in which we are required to enter the title, the description for the item. Optionally, we can provide a URL for an image of this listing, and the starting price. Also, we are required to select the category, in which we got 4 options of categories. So I got here some information for the item we're gonna add in this example here. This is the description of the item, and this is the image of the item. We're gonna select a starting price of 55 with 50 cents, and in this case this is a Pokemon Blue Game Boy cassette, so it is a game, it is in the game category. We add the listing, and as we can see, scrolling down, we now see the Pokemon Blue Game Boy cassette. Alright, this one right here is the default route in which we are presented with all the listings that are currently active, that it is a status is as true, and we can also go ahead and check out this specific item. We are presented with a bigger picture in case we want to check on some details. Here in this page right here, we can bid on the item, and the price will be updated. Bid was placed. We are presented with the confirmation that the bid was updated to $60. We can also add this item to our watch list. So let's add it for now. Later we're gonna check our watch list to see all the items we got here. And also we can input some comments here. So let's say I love this game. And here we will see the comments of all the different users for this item. So now that we have added, let's go and check, make sure it is in our watch list. As we can see, however, if we go ahead and remove this item and go back to our watch list, we see it's now empty, as it was the only item we got there. So one other thing we can do here is to go ahead and close. We are presented with the option to close the auction in case we are the owner. Let's see, for example, in this Pokemon Go, we are the owner. As we can see, it's posted by me, and if we check on a different item that is posted by somebody else, for example, this one right here, we see it's posted by a different user, and as we can see, we don't have the option to close this one. So let's go ahead and try to close the auction for this Pokemon Blue cassette. Congratulations, your auction was closed, and as I was the one that had the highest bid, I am presented with this message. Alright, so one another thing we can do here in the active also, let me show you that the Pokemon Go item is no longer showing as it is closed, it is inactive. We can also filter this page by categories. Let's go try home. We see all the listings corresponding to this category. In the case of garden, same, games, here the games, and finally clothing. We have here all the clothing items. Also, one thing that is possible with Django is to have the admin interface. So we're gonna have a look at that one right now. The user I'm logged in at the moment is a super user, so we'll see here. Here we got all the models, and as we can see, we can add comments directly from here. Let's go ahead and add a comment. Say it's a comment me. This is the list of items that we can comment on. Let's go ahead and save it. Now let's go back and look for that item to make sure. Yeah, as we can see here, the comment was placed, was updated with the comment, and basically that's it for this project. I thank you very much for your time and hope you have a great rest of the day. Bye.